Hey awesome coders, welcome back to Coding with Osama. I'm Osama and today we're diving into a classic beginner project, building a basic calculator in C++. If you're ready to start crunching numbers, you're in the right place. Let's get coding. So let me just explain what this calculator will do really quickly. It is going to take the first number from the user and then take the second number and output the sum of those two numbers. It is a quick project, so it won't take more than 3 minutes, maximum 5. Let's just do it really quickly, and I'll write the code while I explain the steps. Follow along so you can write your first program. Firstly, we're gonna declare our first variable. It is gonna be called integer number 1. And then we're going to declare our second variable, which is going to be called number 2. We are going to now give those variables a value by inputting them from the user, because there wouldn't be a point if you just took the value and you placed it as a coder. You want to take the value from the user. So you go ahead and you input number 1 and then input number 2. And then lastly, you're going to go ahead and see out number 1 plus number 2. Go ahead and run your program. Let's input two numbers. First number is going to be 2, and the second number is going to be 3. And then the sum is 5. Let's just add some statements before every cin so the user knows what to input, right? Because if you're just going to go out there and tell him, hey, input a value for some variable, he's going to be like, what the hell are you saying? He's going to be like, what are you saying? What is the variable? What does it represent? What should I input? So you go ahead and you see out before every cin. You say, enter your first number. And that basically is going to say, hey, enter your first number and then input. He's going to input number 1. Then you go here, enter your second number. He's going to input the second number. And then lastly, you're going to say, hey, sum equals number 1 plus number 2. Maybe I forgot to mention this, but instead of writing multiple couts, you can basically just put them all in one statement using the insertion operators. And so these don't get printed next to each other. You gotta add end lines. As we said, it's just basically like putting a space. It's like pressing enter on your keyboard. And then let's just see how the output will be. Enter your first number. You're gonna enter 1, enter your second number, and enter 3, and sum is equal to 4. And there you have it. That is your first program done. It is really easy. And it took us less than 3 minutes to make. Try it at home, and if you got any problems, make sure to comment down below or send me an email. It'll be in the end of the video. And peace out.